So this is my bike, it's 2012 Premium Solo Plus. Alright, to start out, I got an integrated frame with a mid-bottom bracket. I have the premium pivotal plastic seat. Now I have the premium refuse to resist tires for the front and back. And the front rim is an Alienation Deviant laced to a Profile Mini front hub that is female. And then I have a fit stem. The bars are the stock, 8 inches. These are the Colt Vans grips. Some people say they're not very comfortable, but I think they are. I have the Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, stock cranks, and this crappy chain. I have yet to put on my half link, the Shadow Conspiracy half link. And here is my Alienation Black Sheep that's laced to a Profile Mini in the back, which is also female. And that's about it. This is how it sounds. Yep, so that's my bike. Thanks for watching.